I get this question all the time about cold plunge or cold water immersion because it has become very popular. And I will say that it's not for everybody. It's about purposefully stressing the body in a controlled environment to make it stronger over time. It shocks our nervous system very intensely by putting us into this sympathetic fight or flight survival mode, which has a lot of short term benefits. It has this massive peripheral vasoconstriction, so the vessels contract, and that rushes this oxygenated blood into the core organs and up to the brain. This kind of oxygen flow up to the brain only happens during deep sleep. We also activate brown fat, which increases our metabolism, especially in our fat cells, our adipocytes. We release something called cold shock protein from the liver. This only happens when we're exposed in very extreme metabolic changes. It does, though, cold shock proteins, it can decrease inflammation and it can quicken the repair process. A cold plunge, though, only 3 to 5 minutes in about 50-degree water temperature. We don't want to adapt to the cold, okay? We want to shock the system briefly and get that huge release of these potent endorphins that enhance our mood and our emotional state. It's actually like a drug. It's like you become high off of that for several hours after that cold plunge. It's very intense. For those with severe cardiovascular conditions, I would absolutely avoid this.